Hey guys, it's Patrick coming to you with a message about Metasomer face cream. I try to be really careful with the sun. My general policy is I don't want any sunscreen on my body. The stuff I've read online suggests that sunscreen itself might cause more problems than getting a sunburn. So I'm really not up for that. So what I do is, I take a pretty simple approach to the sun, which is I don't go in it for too long. And if I'm gonna get red or burned, I just come out of the sun or I wear long sleeves. And that's my strategy. A little out of breath here because I've been hiking in the woods. Anyway, earlier this summer I had a situation where I was with family and we were going out on a boat in Hawaii and the sun's really strong and we're going to be out all day. And I got a burn on my nose and it was pretty bad. And so I really wanted to treat it in the best way possible. So what I did was when I got back, I started putting Metasomer face cream on my nose 3 times a day. And even though I have access to this stuff, I don't use it all the time. Like, I'm a guy, I don't really worry about my skin. But this burn looked pretty severe. And what I was shocked by was by putting it on 3 times a day, my nose didn't even peel. And it like held all the skin together. And that gives me a great confidence. It's a confidence that's building as I take Nano Soma nearly every day for 2 years. And I use the gel to disappear some spots on my skin. And now the face cream to hold my nose together when there was a really serious burn. And, it gives me a lot of confidence while aging. There's been skin cancer in my family. And, I know that my skin is now being made with the life-supporting ingredients of Metasomer face cream. I feel really great about it. The other thing I've learned recently about the face cream that I want to share with you is that one of my friends gave it to her sister. And her sister is about 70 years old. And she has had really tough skin her whole life. Like, I'm talking like the kind of skin that looks pocked and rough. And I don't know about for you guys, but for me, just talking about that type of skin has been hard. Like, it's just, I have so much compassion for the people who have skin like that because of the way we judge in our society. And it's just a really hard thing. So this person got the face cream. They used 1 container of it after 70 years of bad skin, and her complexion looks awesome now. So those type of stories are coming in. I really believe in the Metasomer face cream and the Nano Soma products in general, and want to encourage you to explore with them and see what happens for you. Tell us your stories, okay? Thanks so much.